Yeah.
You see one?
Yeah.
Where? There's an egg.
Whoops.
There's it.
Yeah, put it in your basket. We'll open them later.
Yeah.
Hey, Kingston.
Huh? Oh.
Oh, you found another one.
A yellow one.
Okay.
Oh,
There you go.
you see one?
Another one.
There's one.
I see one in the bushes. Over that
Why don't
way.
you go that way.
It's over that way. This one's going to be hard to find. It's yellow and yellow.
Over here,
Over
Kingston.
It's over here. Yeah, look in the bushes. Let's look over this way. You see one? Do you see one?
I see
There's one. Wow. Over here.
Watch where I step. There's the
Kingston.
hospital coming up.
Kingston, there's more over here, I think.
I see another one.
I see yellow one.
It's over that way.
No.
Kingston, over here.
Keep looking that way. Follow Grandpa.
Kingston, look.
Kingston, that way.
Anything over here?
I see
There's another one.
I see one.
Hey, come here. Come here. Do you see one in there? No.
No.
Watch your head. You see no? Oh, there's one.
How many do you have in your basket?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
6.
He's right. Hey, Kingston, let's look under this one. You think there's one in there?
No.
In here. Do you see one in there, maybe? You gotta look underneath this way. Come here. Do you see one under? What's that? There's one. All right. That makes 7.
You're doing good.
Yeah.